Marcus has always been an ungrateful boy and is known to be a bully.
Another day, another chance to ruin lives. Tsk, Timothy is so annoying. Actually, everyone in here is so annoying. Why can't they post something cool or something? They are all boring and shouldn't even be on social media. Like seriously, nobody cares about your boring post. Timothy, you're so annoying. Get out of here. Nobody cares.
Did you see the stuff Marcus said about you this morning?
Yeah, I did. But
Oh wait, shh, here he comes.
Hey dork, could you stop posting annoying stuff? Seriously, nobody cares about a nerd like you.
I...
Go away, Marcus. Leave him alone.
Ooh, I'm so scared. Not. Anyway, I'm wasting my time here. Bye, nerds.
We should report him. He can't keep doing this to you. He's been bullying you ever since we were little, and I've had enough of it. He needs to stop.
I know. I'm sorry. Thanks for helping me and sticking with me after all these years.
Of course, I'm your friend.
I know you pity me, but I also know you care. So, I'll try to report. Just not today. It's just, I'm scared. He might hit me. Or worse. You know Marcus. You used to be friends, right?
Yeah, but that was in the past. He changed.
I'm glad. Glad that I have you as my friend.
After the issue Marcus caused, he walked home satisfied. He stops and notices a firefly. He tries to catch it and after a few attempts caught it. He was blinded by the light and noticed he's in the clouds.
Where am I? Am I dead? And who are you? I can't believe any of this. Why do you want to talk to me?
Well, you should believe this, because you're the reason for Timothy's sorrow. Just like any other human being, he prays for courage and forgiveness. I want to talk to you about Timothy. You don't know his life, and he does not know yours. So let me ask, why must you bully Timothy the most?
I don't have to answer you.
Very well. Take a look into his life and see for yourself.
With strong winds made by Holly's wings, the clouds create a mirror to Timothy's room. Timothy is found crying on his bed. He is looking at all the mean tweets Marcus sent to him and sees how others found it funny. Timothy switches his account to a page he made. He posts biblical verse and sayings, mostly about not giving up and conquer each day with a smile.
Wasn't he all sad and crying?
Yes, he was, and he still is. But happiness is a choice, not a destination. He chose to smile through the pain. He's been doing this ever since you started bullying him and many others.
Really? But what is he hoping to achieve by this?
That's for me to know and for you to find out. Want to know? Ask him yourself, child.
What happened? That was all a dream, but it felt so real. What? Isn't this the account that Timothy owns in my dream? I don't understand. How can Timothy think so positively about all of this, despite all the bad things I've done to him? I feel so bad. I need to talk to him.
Huh? Marcus? How did he know I own the page? And he sent me this? Maybe his account got hacked or something.
Hey, Timothy, thanks for coming.
Sure, it's alright.
Listen, I'm so sorry for bullying you and the others, but you the most. I want to be friends. I realize a lot of things, and you don't deserve what I did to you. I understand if you don't forgive me right away, after all the things I've done. But I really hope that you do, and I'll do whatever it takes. What I did was really immature, and I'm really sorry.
I really don't know what to say right now. After all the pain that I went through, it's hard to process all of this. I guess what I need right now is time. But I appreciate and accept your apology. I'm glad that you had this realization.
Again, I'm really sorry. I hope you can forgive me.